sun's out and it's a beautiful day for cricket. The batsmen are going to have to make some safe judgments on today's grassy pitch. The captains are ready to call for the toss. Heads or tails? It's anyone's guess. Tails the call. And heads it is. A fine wicket to score some early runs. The batting side will try and make the most of it. He's the new man in. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack.
Come on!
That's a poor delivery from the bowler. That's called a wide by the umpire. Good batting.
No ball.
Good effort. Leaves the ball this time. Fielders are all over it. No freebies whatsoever today. Bowler overstepped the line there. It's a free hit for the batsman at the crease.
No ball. Yeah.
A half effort. Let's hope it doesn't continue outside of free hits. Batsman's off the mark with that single. New ground voodoo broken. Hits a boundary off his first ball. He's making the batsman work for his money. A spirited defence. Good ball. No runs given off that one. A good throw that just misses greatness. Almost got him then. Good thinking by the batsman. They complete the single with ease. The fielders are pulling out all the stops by making all the stops. Got him! He never saw that catch coming. Striker shuffles back to the pavilion. And there goes the wicket. That was sloppy. He has gifted away his wicket. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. Medium pacer has been called into the attack now. A clever one that left no room for the batsman. Dot ball. Gets it in his hands and chucks it right back. They're making the batsman fight for every run. Good show by the fielders. Goes for a square drive, catches the inside edge, and it's stopped by the leg side fielder. No runs. Spotted so quickly by the fielder. What a great effort. It's another dot ball in this over. The bowler will be pleased with that one. Very sharp piece of judgment by the fielder. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw as well to the stumps. I'm sure the bowlers will smile all the way back to the pavilion. The batsman will be... That attack wasn't just meant for the stumps. That struck him firmly on the body. The striker is hesitant to make any big moves. No runs off that ball. He pushes that one onto the mid-wicket for more runs. Opening the tally with a quick single. Huge appeal for the stumping. Looks like they'll have to have a look as it's really close. Third umpire can put his cup of tea down now. He's being referred to. Oh, what a blinder! Quick reflexes from the keeper here. He's gifted away his wicket. I wouldn't have forgiven myself if I'd played that. Here we have it, new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. Looks to play it square, but ends up pushing it down to the mid-wicket. Batsman's off the mark with that single. Yorked him. Batsman didn't have a clue. The bowling unit is on a roll. It's a bloodbath at the batter's end. In comes a man who could carry the team to victory for the batting side. Sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. This is set up to be a nail-biting finish here. Out! Umpire puts his finger up and it's a huge celebration from the fielding unit. Batsman looks really unhappy with this decision. A review is signalled by the batsman and they go up to the third umpire. And the umpire has reversed his decision. Well bowled. Nothing conceded. Well judged by the batsman at the crease. No run again. Clever bowling by the bowler. The batsman has been deceived completely. He's hit that badly. He's hit it high. Well judged catch by the fielder. The bowler nabs another great scalp as this battle comes to an end. That was sloppy. He has gifted away his wicket. A new man in. Time for him to up the scoring rate. Oof, that was so close. A good variation there, forcing the batsman to defend once again. They get nada. Has the batsman goof? The keeper certainly thinks so. That's a really good appeal. Third umpire can put his cup of tea down now. He's being referred to. Wow, what a beauty from the keeper. He was quick as a... What a performance from the winning side. They'd be really pleased with that result. A crucial wicket at a crucial time. An outstanding performance with the bat and a well-deserved award for man of the match.